Alexey Navalny had predicted that the sentence would be Stalinist in its severity, and as he walked into the prison sports hall, which served as a courtroom in this case, the dissident opposition leader appeared reconciled to the inevitable. He looked remarkably relaxed and exchanged broad smiles and a handshake with the other defendant in the case, Daniel Kolodny, the admin of Navalny's YouTube channel. Navalny's legal representatives were welcomed with a wry smile and a hug. Journalists had to follow proceedings via a TV video link, but the audio feed was so distorted it was almost impossible to make out what the judge was saying. Unusually, the sentencing lasted just a matter of minutes, and Navalny's shrug and smile indicated the outcome. A 19-year prison sentence on charges of extremism, his fifth criminal conviction so far, in a judicial process which his supporters say is a deliberate Kremlin strategy to silence one of President Putin's fiercest critics.
The sentence is not for him, it is for Russian people who witness him and see what is happening to him. Putin is trying to frighten as many Alexei supporters as he can. So this enormous term has only one goal: to scare as much people as possible.
The international outcry was immediate. The US State Department described the 19-year sentence as an unjust conclusion to an unjust trial. In a statement, the UN Human Rights Chief, Volker Turk, demanded that Russia release Navalny and criticized the instrumentalization of the court system for political purposes in Russia. The French government also demanded his release, calling the trial judicial persecution. Navalny is already serving a 9-year sentence for a variety of charges, all of which he says are politically motivated. And he still faces separate terrorism charges, which could add significantly more years to that total. But in a short statement posted after the hearing, Navalny said the number doesn't matter. He urged his supporters to continue resisting and said, "I'm serving a life sentence measured by the length of my life or the length of life of this regime." Paul Brennan, Al Jazeera.